Happy Wednesday! It is Card Making Wednesday, and today we are talking about bookmarks. But before I get started, I just wanted to ask you to please hit the subscribe button and the bell below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Also, like and share this video would be amazing. Thank you very much. Also, if you're interested in making your own cards or bookmarks, you can join my Facebook community. Go to the website you see on this page, and it'll take you to my Stampin' Up website, which has my Facebook icon on the first page. Click that, and I'll let you in. I have demonstration videos, videos on different tips and tricks and techniques for making cards and making all kinds of things. So, and I have card making classes there virtually. Or if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. So let's get started. Today, it's going to be a quick video, and I just wanted to show you how I made these bookmarks. Because honestly, these days, I look at a lot of catalogs and magazines, and I have books, journals, and lesson planning books. You know, it's not just books anymore. So I use a lot of bookmarks in those as opposed to, you know, books I might read online or download. So I just kind of wanted to start making more bookmarks because I'm finding myself bending more pages, and it's like super annoying because I don't really like to bend pages to things. So let's talk about the first one. The first one I made here, I used the Designer Series paper, and it's from the Friends Are Like Seashells collection suite. And I used this for the sand, and I just tore it to make the white right here. So I tore a little piece out, and then on the back, you've got some seashells. So I just fussy cut a bunch of seashells here and glued them on and added this cute sentiment, which says, "Friends are like seashells, you collect them along the way." I added this beautiful bow ribbon, so pretty. You see how it shimmers, and it's sort of a different color on the other side. And then this is the In Color Soft Succulent. So I added that just to frame the bookmark. And then I also used the same Soft Succulent ink here for my sentiment. So it turned out super cute. So let me show you what it looks like inside. So look at this. Isn't that so cute? It's perfect. Quite perfect. Okay, so this one here, this one I used the Seashells 3D embossing folder. So I did that first, and also for both of them, I used this punch here. And this is 2 inches. So this is 2 inches by 5.5 inches. And I think it's a good size for a bookmark. And then I embossed this. And then I used my Stampin' blends to color. So for the big shell here, I used this light soft suede, and then I used the light old olive for the leaves, and I used the light smoky slate for a shell, and the big shell, I used the light balmy blue, and then I used the new In Color dark pale papaya for some of the leaves. What are these called? I forgot what they're called. So I used that color for those. And it just turned out really pretty. And the same here, I used the pale papaya for the ribbon, and then this gray. And it's got sparkles. I love sparkles. So I think these turned out really, really cute. And I wanted to show you. So I hope you just got your juices flowing and giving you some fun, quick ideas how to make bookmarks. But I'm here if you have questions. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for popping in, and talk to you later, friends.